Hey there guys, Chet here. Email is at the very center of every single thing that we do, from customer leads to invoices. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect n8n to Gmail so that you can start automating your inbox. But before we can read or send any emails, we need to do one very important first step. We need to give n8n permission to talk to our Google account. The great news is that you only have to do this one time, and this process is called authentication, and n8n makes it very simple and secure. Now, to begin, you can add a Gmail node to your workflow. Click the plus button on the canvas, then search for the Gmail app. Now you will see a couple of different triggers and actions related to Gmail. For this example, let's go under Actions and click the Send a Message option. This will add the Gmail node to your canvas and open its settings. Now, inside the settings panel for that particular node, you will see a field for the credential. Let's click on that drop-down menu. From there, you will choose the option to create a new credential. A new window will pop up. In this window, click on the button that says Sign In with Google. Now, this will pop up another window, this one from Google. This window will ask you to sign in and choose the Google account that you want to work with. Now go ahead and select the correct account. There. Now after you choose your account, Google will show you a new permission screen. This screen is very important. It tells you exactly what permissions n8n is asking for. For example, the ability to read, compose, and send emails from your account. This is necessary for the automations to work, so go ahead and click the Continue button there at the bottom. Once you give permission, you will be taken back to n8n and you will see a final window that says your Gmail account is now connected. This will securely save your new connection inside of your n8n account. And that's the entire process. If you look now at your Gmail node, you will see that your new credential is automatically selected in the field. You have now successfully and securely connected n8n to Gmail. You can use this same saved credential for any Gmail node in any of your future workflows without ever having to sign in again. Now that you're connected, you can start building powerful workflows. You can create automations that automatically reply to certain emails, save your attachments to a folder, or notify you on your phone when an important message arrives. It really is a simple connection with an incredible amount of power. All right, that's the end of this video. If you found this useful, I go much deeper inside of my school community. I've built a complete n8n course where you will learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems, plus live calls and exclusive templates that you won't find anywhere else. I've put all of the links in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.